Hey guys, welcome to Car Bingo. I'm Joe. Today I want to talk about the car behind me. It's a 2013 Nissan Pulsar. I bought it from a lady in Brisbane. The story was like this. The lady told me the car was stuck in one gear and couldn't be driven. She brought to the mechanic shop and the mechanic asked her to replace the transmission completely. I know the value of this transmission. This Nissan CVT transmission, a used one, will cost you around $4,000 before the COVID. Right now it'll be around $5,000, and plus the installation, that'll be another $1,500 on top of that. So if you want to replace this transmission completely, it'll cost you roughly around $6,000. But this car in the market right now, it'll be $7,000 to $8,000 maximally. That's why the lady decided to smash it here. And based on our data, we can normally have around 1 to 2 of this generation Nissan Pulsar coming to our yard to wreck, all due to their transmission failed. And I got a lot of friends asking me whether they can buy the Nissan Pulsar or not, because in the same class compared to Honda Civic and also the Toyota Corolla in the same year, the Nissan Pulsar will be much more cheaper than them. However, not all the Nissan Pulsar you should avoid. Only the one comes with the CVT transmission. You should not to think about it. How to determine whether it comes with the CVT transmission or not? Have a look here. If there's a blue label here, don't buy it.